Okay, putting on the tire chains.
Okay, so you got the hook towards the inside.
Okay.
The cam towards the outside.
Okay.
And you just center it on the, kind of line it up with the wheel.
Yeah.
Make sure these links are, they're not like upside down like this.
Right.
On the outside,
Okay.
rather than fighting.
And on this one, the cam is on this end, and that's fine. So we're laying them both out.
Off the wheel, like the center of this wheel about here.
Okay, stop the center of that wheel there.
Same with the other side.
It's marked a stick, the same place on both sides.
And you just kind of make sure they're
Check that they're
on the
straight, so you're gonna, because you're gonna drive onto them, right?
Yeah. There, that should work.
This one looks crooked.
Is it?
Yeah, I would pull it in. No? Okay.
I think it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're just gonna flip these over. I'm a little bit too far back. I'm just gonna go ahead a little bit.
Okay. Stop.
Okay, so you gotta start at the bottom here and get them kind of as tight as possible,
Okay.
just by kind of moving up a little bit at a time. Then you just put your hook on the inside.
I don't want to block your vision, but yeah, okay.
Right?
Got it.
Just hook that. And then you try to go to the shortest, get it as tight as possible. See, if I put it on here, it's going to be too loose.
Yeah.
So go to the next link.
Oops, sorry.
Okay. And then,
Oh, I get how it works.
So that cam should go down.
And then you can hook
So
it.
you can slip this. Should have brought some pliers.
Oh, was it bent?
Or it's just going a little crooked there.
Okay, let me see if I can help you.
They fit nice and tight. That's for sure.
Okay. That one fits nice and tight.